Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned pineapple. First, choose ripe, firm pineapples for optimal flavor. Wash them well, then remove the crown and base. Carefully peel the skin, ensuring all eyes are removed. Next, core the pineapple and cut it into your desired shape, such as slices, chunks, or crushed pieces. Uniform pieces ensure even processing. This initial preparation is crucial for a successful canning experience. Now, let's prepare the syrup. You'll need a light or medium syrup, typically made with 2 cups of sugar to 4 cups of water for a light syrup. Heat this mixture until the sugar completely dissolves. Next, carefully pack your prepared pineapple pieces tightly into clean, hot canning jars. Ensure there are no large air pockets. Finally, pour the hot syrup over the pineapple, leaving exactly 1/2 inch of headspace at the top of each jar. After filling, remove any air bubbles from the jars using a non-metallic utensil. Wipe the jar rims clean to ensure a good seal. Place the lids and screw bands on, tightening them only finger tight. Carefully lower the jars into a boiling water canner, ensuring they are covered by at least 1 inch of water. Process pint jars for 20 minutes, adjusting for altitude if necessary. Maintain a rolling boil throughout the entire processing time. Once processing is complete, carefully remove the hot jars from the canner using a jar lifter. Place them on a towel-lined counter, allowing at least 1 inch of space between each jar. Let them cool undisturbed for 12 to 24 hours. After cooling, check for proper seals. The lid should be concave and not flex when pressed. Remove the screw bands and store your perfectly canned pineapple in a cool, dark place for up to 1 year.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.